How do you multiply two fractions? When you multiply fractions, you multiply the numerators together, then multiply the denominators together. Let's see how this works with 2/5 times 3/7. To multiply fractions, multiply the numerators together. 2 times 3 equals 6. Now multiply the denominators together. 5 times 7 equals 35. So 2/5 times 3/7 equals 6/35. Let's try another example. 3/4 times 4/9. Multiply the numerators. 3 times 4 equals 12. Multiply the denominators. 4 times 9 equals 36. So 3/4 times 4/9 equals 12/36. Can we simplify 12/36? Yes, both 12 and 36 can be divided by 12. 12 divided by 12 equals 1. 36 divided by 12 equals 3. So 12/36 simplifies to 1/3. When multiplying fractions, multiply the numerators together to get the new numerator. Multiply the denominators together to get the new denominator. Don't forget to check if your answer can be simplified. One important reminder: unlike adding or subtracting, you do not need to find a common denominator when multiplying fractions. Just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Now it's your turn. Let's multiply 5/8 times 7/9. Let's work through it together. First, multiply the numerators. What is 5 times 7? It's 35. Now multiply the denominators. What is 8 times 9? Yes, 72. So 5/8 times 7/9 equals what? Yes, 35/72. Can we simplify 35/72? No, 35/72 is in its simplest form. To multiply fractions, you multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together. Remember to check if your answer can be simplified.